Welcome to our nature series, where we will explore the wonders of the natural world. Today, we dive into the enchanting realm of fireflies. Join us as we unravel the fascinating story of fireflies and discuss their current status in the wild. Let's get started. Before we delve into the current state of fireflies, let's begin with a brief introduction to these captivating insects. Fireflies, scientifically known as Lampyridae, are a family of beetles known for their bioluminescent glow. They inhabit various regions across the globe, from lush forests to grasslands and even urban areas. The mesmerizing light produced by fireflies is the result of a chemical reaction called bioluminescence. This natural phenomenon is created through a process involving luciferin, an enzyme called luciferase, and oxygen. Fireflies use this light to communicate, attract mates, and in some cases, to warn predators. To truly understand fireflies, we need to explore their life cycle. Fireflies undergo a complete metamorphosis, much like butterflies. Their life cycle consists of 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. The females typically lay their eggs in moist soil or leaf litter. Once hatched, the larvae, also known as glowworms, live in the soil or on the forest floor, feeding on snails, slugs, and other small insects. After several weeks or months, depending on the species, the larvae enter the pupal stage. Inside the pupa, remarkable transformations take place, leading to the emergence of an adult firefly. Now, let's explore the magical light displays for which fireflies are renowned. Fireflies produce different light patterns unique to their species, making their light shows a truly mesmerizing sight to behold. Male fireflies typically fly in the air while flashing their distinct light patterns, attempting to attract the attention of female fireflies on the ground or vegetation. This courtship ritual is a dazzling display, often synchronized within a group or in response to other males. It's believed that the females respond to these light signals by either remaining stationary or flashing back their own specific response, allowing the males to locate them for mating. The larvae of most fireflies are predaceous, beneficial insects that feed on snails, slugs, and worms. When they become adults, fireflies may eat pollen, nectar, or nothing at all. The few species that remain carnivorous through adulthood eat other types of fireflies. While fireflies have been a source of fascination and joy for centuries, they face numerous challenges in the modern world, like today. Their populations are declining globally due to a combination of factors. One significant threat is habitat loss caused by urbanization and the destruction of natural habitats. Fireflies require specific environmental conditions to survive, including clean water, undisturbed vegetation, and suitable breeding sites. Pollution, especially light pollution, also poses a severe threat to fireflies. Artificial lights from urban areas can disrupt their mating signals, leading to unsuccessful courtship and reduced reproductive success. Additionally, the use of pesticides and insecticides in agriculture can have detrimental effects on fireflies, as they rely on insects for their survival. Pesticides not only directly harm fireflies, but also reduce their food sources, further endangering their populations. Fortunately, there are dedicated individuals and organizations working tirelessly to protect and conserve fireflies. Conservation efforts involve raising awareness, preserving habitats, and implementing measures to reduce light pollution. Scientists are conducting research to better understand firefly behavior and ecology, which can inform conservation strategies. They are also studying the impact of light pollution and developing guidelines to minimize its effects. Conservationists are actively working to protect firefly habitats by advocating for their preservation, restoring degraded areas, and creating firefly-friendly environments in urban spaces. If you're inspired to contribute to firefly conservation, there are several ways you can make a difference. You can start by reducing light pollution in your own neighborhood. such as by using outdoor lights with motion sensors or shielding them to direct light downwards. Creating firefly-friendly habitats by planting native plants, providing water sources, and preserving natural areas can also support their survival. And we coming to the end of the video, journey into the world of fireflies or lightning bug. These captivating insects remind us of the delicate balance of nature. By working together, we can ensure that future generations can continue to witness the magical glow of fireflies. Don't forget to give like in this video, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content about animal kingdom and nature. See ya!
Fireflies play an important role in ecosystems, and their presence contributes to the overall health and balance of the environment. Here are some reasons why fireflies are important in nature. 1. Pollination. Some firefly species, particularly those that feed on nectar as adults, play a role in pollination. As they visit flowers in search of nectar, they inadvertently transfer pollen from one flower to another, aiding in the reproduction of plants. 2. Pest control. Firefly larvae, also known as glowworms, are voracious predators of other insects. They feed on various pests such as snails, slugs, and soft-bodied insects, helping to naturally control their populations. This reduces the need for chemical pesticides, promoting a more balanced and sustainable ecosystem. 3. Indicator species. Fireflies serve as indicators of environmental health. Their presence or absence can reflect the overall condition of an ecosystem. Since fireflies are sensitive to changes in their habitats, declines in their populations can indicate pollution, habitat degradation, or other ecological imbalances. 4. Biodiversity. Fireflies are a diverse group of insects, with thousands of known species worldwide. Their presence adds to the biodiversity of ecosystems. A diverse ecosystem is more resilient and better equipped to withstand environmental disturbances, ensuring the stability of the ecosystem as a whole. 5. Cultural and educational value. Fireflies hold cultural and educational significance. Their enchanting light displays have fascinated and inspired humans for centuries, leading to folklore, art, and scientific discoveries. Studying fireflies can provide valuable insights into various fields such as biology, chemistry, and ecology, contributing to our understanding of the natural world. 6. Ecotourism. Fireflies attract tourists and nature enthusiasts, creating opportunities for ecotourism and generating economic benefits for local communities. Ecotourism initiatives centered around fireflies can help raise awareness about their conservation needs, promote habitat preservation, and support local conservation efforts.